Billie Eilish, Birds of a Feather. Oh, I ain't gonna lie. It's been a minute since a Billie Eilish reaction. I think the last one we did on the channel was the one that she did with Charlie XCX, where she was like, Charlie is something, but like, you know, I would hit it. Like, that was crazy. That was crazy. It's also crazy that, like, I've been meaning to listen to this album, but I haven't even reacted to Happier Than Ever, like the full Happier Than Ever. I got this on a CD. I got it on a vinyl, but never listen to Hit Me Hard and Soft. So hopefully y'all could support me enough to make me want to, go react to it, If you could, if you're feeling generous, let's get this video to 10 likes. Subscribe if you're feeling generous as well. And without further ado, we gonna get to this reaction. We also gonna do, I think, Wildflower. Anyway, yeah, enough yapping. Let's get it. Ooh, ooh. I want you to stay. When was the last time I really listened to her? Because, like, I don't know why it's taking me kind of by surprise that it's a little upbeat. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah, that's crazy, bro. If you go, I'm going too. She said, if you die, I'm down with you. I'm down with you. I don't want to be here without you. Come on. Or it could be just be like, hey, when you see your partner get up and you get up too, because like, hey, where we going? Where we going? You know what I'm saying? Her eyes are like so blue, and like it's crazy. Sometimes like people with blue eyes can look like very soulless, like they have this very like uncanny valley kind of stare to it, and like hers doesn't have that. Her eyes have like a lot of character. That's crazy. I love that. I love you to the day that I die. Oh my god. I love that. Ooh, her voice hitting, bruh. If someone can explain to me what does Hit Me Hard and Soft mean? Did she ever explain that name, why she named the album that? Who? You wouldn't believe if I told you. You would hate the compliments I throw you. But you're so full of shit. Oh, the switch. The heel turn. Oh my god. You a piece of shit. What? No, you're full of shit. Oh my god. Tell me it's a bit. Say you don't see it. Your mind's polluted. Say you wanna quit. Don't be stupid. I don't know what I'm crying for. I ain't gonna lie, the lyrics spoiling me a little bit, but it's just like, this fire. Her voice is fire. She not just saying like random nothing. So I love it. I'm liking it. We should stick together. Okay, what is this music video? Because I feel like she keeps being like dragged some way, and like, is this like a force kind of thing, or like is she like on a invisible fishing line, like, and being pulled, or did they hit the? That's what I'm thinking. I can't put my finger on what this sounds like. It kind of sounds, I don't know if funky is kind of the word I'm looking for. Like, you know, like, if y'all listen to Tory Lanez, like, go listen to The Color Violet. Very similar vibes, but, you know, like, they're different altogether. But I don't know. What would you call that sound? Oh, gravity's pulling her back to the ground again. Shit. Damn. I need an explanation for that one. Is this one of her signature black screen at the end? Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. That was a fun listen, and I feel like I've been really putting off listening to Billie Eilish too, and I feel really bad about it. But I think it's time to get back into her, bro. I think it's time. Let's read some of these comments though. To me, the whole message is she's being pulled in all directions by someone that isn't even there. It's super symbolic of lingering effects of any sort of lost love. Okay, I can see that. I can see that. No one has ever looked this good being dragged across the floor with an invisible arm. That's crazy, bro. Every other artist, high budget extreme sets, Billie old ass 70s office core. And you know what? I love that because it shows you that an effective music video doesn't need a high budget. It doesn't need a lot. It just needs like the feelings of what the song is saying to be conveyed. And you know, like I feel like it does it well. Like something she can't see, like pulling her towards what she wants. Maybe, like, I don't know. I like it, bro. Okay, side note, David here with me. That's kind of crazy that it's at 300 million. Like all the shit going on with him is boosting the music. I hate it. Like it really sucks about his situation because like, I really like the music, but why you gotta be such a piece of sugar honey iced tea, bro? Oh my god. Her eyes, bro. This was a genuine compliment. And I am a girl. I am not down bad for her and not simping for her either. Are you trying to convince yourself? Although in general, simping isn't a bad thing. It's simping is liking someone and doing stuff because you love them. This isn't a bad thing as long as it's not harmful for yourself. It sounds like you try to convince yourself more than anything. Okay, I've been yapping too long. Yeah, we gotta react to, I think it's Wildflower. Yeah, Wildflower. So that's what we're gonna react to next. If y'all want to watch that, I'm gonna post it tomorrow. So subscribe, hit that notification bell to see what's up. And yeah, it's been a pleasure, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Prodijet. I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.